Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Pam from Coco Education. So today what we are going to learn is the Gauss summation. So what is Gauss summation? Let's look at the question number 1 as an example. What is the sum of the numbers from 1 to 15? Okay, so today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Gauss summation, the method to solve this question. So from 1 to 15, we know that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way until 15. You need to add all the numbers here together. So do we have any method to do it? If no, then we are going to add the number one by one. But for now, today, what we are going to do here is we can use the Gauss summation to solve the problem. So how to do it? Next, this number, we can write it in a reverse way, which is start from 15, 14, 13, and so on until 1. And then we add these two set of numbers together. You will see that 1 plus 15 equals to 16. And then 2 plus 14 equals to 16. And 3 plus 13 also equals to 16. And so on. You find that 13 plus 3 also 16, 14 plus 2 also 16, 15 plus 1 also 16. You see the result, the sum for each pair here are the same. So we just need to identify how many 16 are there, okay, from this set of numbers. So from 1 to 15 got how many numbers? We have 15 numbers. So we get to know that we have 15 groups of 16. So is 15 times 16 the answer? The answer is no. Why? Because what we are doing here is we add two sums here. One is from 1 to 15, another one is 15 to 1. So we have two sums here. So after we do the multiplication, we need to find only one sum. So we need to remember to divide it by 2. So we can do this part. 16 divided by 2 equals to 8. Then 15 times 8 equals to 120. So the sum of the numbers from 1 to 15, the sum is 120. So now, let's look at question number 2. What is the sum of the first 20 numbers of the following pattern? This time, they never tell you what is the last number here, but they tell you that the first 20 numbers of the following pattern start from 30, 31, 32, and so on. So again, we list out the number. Of course, we don't know what is the last number here, but we get to know that there are 20 numbers from here. So how to find the last number from here? So from 30 to 31, we notice that the sequence, the pattern here is actually plus 1. So 30 plus 1 equals to 31. 31 plus 1 equals to 32. And all the way until the 20th number. So I don't know how many we need to plus from the first number 30 until I get the 20th number here. So you see, we have two numbers with the interval. One interval here is plus 1. If let's say I have three numbers here, I have two intervals of plus 1. So how about 20th number? All the way until 20th number, you notice that the number of intervals is 1 less than the number. So we have plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. We have 19 of them. All right, 19 intervals means that 1 times 19. So all the way you need to plus 19 from the first number. So 30 plus 19 equals to 49. So you manage to find the last number is 49. And then you get to know that the pattern is plus 1. So you can complete the numbers here. 49, this one is 48, this one is 47. And then what you should do next? Write again the 20 numbers in a reverse way. And then add together to find the sum of each pair. So the sum of each pair is 30 plus 49, which is equals to 79. This one is also 79. This one is also 79 until the last pair. Since the question already tell you that there are 20 numbers here, so we can use 20 times 79 and then remember to divide it by 2 because we are calculating two sums here. So we can do 20 divided by 2 first equals to 10. Then 10 times 79 equals to 790. So the answer for question number 2 is 790. Now, let's look at question number 3. What is the sum of the first 45 numbers of the following pattern? 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, and so on. This question is taken from SASMO 2025 P3, question number 23. We also do it the same way. We list out the number first, but we don't know what is the last number here. But the question told us that there are 45 numbers. So we need to find the last number here. So what is the last number? So we start from 70. 70, we need to minus 1. You see the pattern is minus 1, minus 1. So minus 1, you get 69. Minus 1, you get 68. So how many minus 1 do we need? So we don't know. We need to find. So again, 2 numbers, 1 intervals, 3 numbers, 2 intervals. So the number of intervals will be 1 less than the number. So for the fifth number, we have 44 intervals. So 44 intervals means that you have 44 groups of minus 1. So altogether is minus 44. So 70 minus 44, you manage to get the last number for this pattern. So 70 minus 44 equals to 26. So the 45th number here is 26. And then you can fill in the numbers already. Then you write it in a reverse way. Start from 26, 27, 28, all the way to 70. Then you add these two set of numbers together. Then you can find the sum of each pair, which is 96, 96, 96. All of them are 96. Then 45 times 96 divided by 2. So we can do this part. 96 divided by 2 equals to 48. Then 45 times 48 equals to 2,160. So this question, question number 3, the answer is 2,160. All right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.